When they were first invented, nobody would be caught dead in them, except for factory workers, farmers and tradesmen. But when Elvis and James Dean wore them, they became immortal, and jeans entered into the world of fashion. Today, they're one of the most popular clothing items in the world. Jeans are made from a highly rugged cotton called denim. This enormous roll contains 450 meters of fabric, from which they'll produce 350 pairs of jeans. Several thicknesses of the material are unrolled on this long table. This knife can cut up to 100 pieces of the material at a time. By multiplying the thicknesses, they produce a whole pile of pieces with one cut. They shape the denim pieces following cutting patterns. Each piece of the jean has its own cutting pattern. The little pieces of fabric are cut with a clicker, also known as a stamper, which cuts out pockets with a cutting mould. Exerting immense pressure, it can cut 20 pockets at a time. They begin sewing. Jeans are sewn with 100% cotton thread. This needle pierces the fabric 4,000 times a minute. Designs are embroidered on the pockets with this machine. Its needles move at 2,500 strokes per minute. This pocket robot will simultaneously fold, press and sew a pocket. This machine allows for the installation of 75 pockets in 60 minutes. The pocket is now sewn into place. The next step is the buttonhole. This machine sews the contours of the buttonhole and a steel blade comes down to cut the opening. The closing button is positioned. This machine is used to make the loops, which will hold the belt in place. The loops are sewn, again with cotton thread. At this stage, they assemble the different pieces of the jeans. This operator joins the two pieces of denim at the crotch. Then sews them together. They then sew the exterior of the leg. This sewing is done flat with an overcaster, which cuts away any excess material. This machine installs the zip. The final sewing step consists of installing the jeans belt, a strip of fabric. This operation requires only a few seconds. The jeans were made up on the reverse side, so that all stitches would be inside when the jeans are worn. The trouser is then turned right side out, with this turner, which uses a powerful suction action. All that now remains is to steam press the jeans to eliminate any pleats. This company makes 1,500 pairs of jeans every day. Each pair will have taken 12 minutes and 50 seconds of work and will have required around 1.2 meters of fabric. When they were first invented, nobody would be caught dead in them, except for factory workers, farmers and tradesmen. But when Elvis and James Dean wore them, they became immortal, and jeans entered into the world of fashion. Today, they're one of the most popular clothing items in the world.